Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox a packaging which I just received. So now I'm going to unbox. Now after I have opened the seal, now I'm going to open the packaging. Alright. So this is what is inside the package. First, this is the original earphone bought from Xiaomi. This was about 18 ringgit, which we order online through Shopee. Right, next in the package we have is definitely the phone, which is Redmi 8A. This handphone was purchased separately from the earphones. This was about 18 ringgit and this cost at a promotion price 299. The original price was 459 ringgit Malaysia. So this phone Redmi 8A, which is 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM. There's also another one with 3 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. So this is actually midnight black color. So you guys going to see how it looks like once I open the packaging. The first thing which you will see is this envelope. Right. So this is, inside this envelope you can find the pin. This is the SIM ejector pin. Right. This is Redmi manual, user guide, and then warranty card. Next, we have the main item here, which is the handphone Redmi 8A. So this is how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, it has a 500 mAh high capacity battery, 6.22 HD dot drop display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 439, and 12 megapixel all rear camera. Is how it looks like. It has one micro SD slot, double nano SIM slot. Now I'm going to peel off the sticker behind. Right, there are two stickers. So this sticker you need to keep it for your consumer right. Stick it on the box. Just like this. You can stick it here. This is how it looks at the back. From the side, and this is front, and then we received the adapter and also Type C cable. Alright, this is super fast charging cable. that's all I think we have in this box. Okay, I'm going to peel off the front screen. So this is how it looks. You can see there's one logo down here saying Redmi, the brand. This is a selfie camera. This is a SIM ejector and memory card ejector. Here at the side here we have the power button and volume up and down button. Alright, so at the bottom of the phone you can see this. We have the earphone port. This is a charger port, or the space for you to insert your charger, and here we have the speaker. Now I'm going to switch on the phone and let's see how it looks like. Choose the language. I'm going to choose